I am Professor B.N. Rajsekharan Pillai, Vice Chancellor of Somaiya University, Mumbai, former Chairman of the University Grants Commission and a number of other institutions in the country. I have great pleasure in participating in the EDU TV program, celebrating our Independence Day. On this Independence Day, as an educationist, my message to my students, to the academics in the country, is that there are a lot of openings which are happening in education now as part of the national education policy, and there are a lot of opportunities provided by the public education system and the private education system in the country for participating in education for enhancing knowledge and skill development. And the country has also provided a large number of internships for students to get training with the industry. A lot of participation with industries are happening, and just as during the COVID period, we have collaborated in all sectors. After the NEP introduction, we see the opening of the higher education system in a very positive way. And on this Independence Day, I urge academic institutions to make use of the national education policy maximum and get the benefit of it. I wish all the EDU TV all the best for the excellent facilitative academic activities the TV is doing, and also I wish you all the very best on the Independence Day.